Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Aldi from Aldentegourmet and today we're going to make tiramisu. This tiramisu recipe is absolutely amazing and also is much healthier than the traditional version of the tiramisu. Doesn't contain any raw eggs or alcohol or caffeine, but is equally delicious and also really easy to put together since we don't even need an electric mixer to prepare our cream for the tiramisu. But before going into the recipe, I want to invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and of course activate the notification bell so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. So let's get started, guys. For this recipe we're going to need some lady fingers, also known as Italian biscottis. We are also going to need some mascarpone cheese. Here I'm using 200 grams of mascarpone cheese and 200 grams of ricotta cheese. I'm combining these two cheeses because the ricotta cheese doesn't contain as much fat as the mascarpone cheese, but you can use either of those and it's equally delicious. 5 teaspoons of milk, also 2 tablespoons of sugar. Here I'm using raw organic cane sugar, vanilla extract about 1 to 2 teaspoons, and some unsweetened cocoa powder, and of course 1 cup of the caffeinated coffee at room temperature. So the first thing that we need to do is just mix the vanilla and the sugar with the mascarpone and the ricotta cheese. Just like so. Here I'm using organic cane sugar, but you can use any sweetener of your choice, plus 3 teaspoons of milk, just to make the cream softer. And just take a spoon and start mixing all together until you get this texture. And if you see that the cream is still a little bit dense, just add 2 teaspoons more of milk and then mix everything together again until you get this texture as you see here. And now our cream is ready for our dessert. So we're going to arrange the biscuits into a rectangular container, and this is the biscotti are going to be the base of our tiramisu dessert. And then we're going to pour our decaffeinated coffee on each lady finger here. And you can make as strong or as lighter as you want the coffee to be. Just like so. And then we're going to add our mixture of mascarpone and ricotta cheese. And this dessert is really easy to put together, and is amazing how quickly you can make this tiramisu, and everybody can enjoy making this this dessert, and it's not complicated at all. And then just sprinkle with some unsweetened cocoa powder on top, and then we are going to repeat the same step, just adding some lady fingers on top, and then just pour some decaffeinated coffee on each biscuit. And now just add our delicious cream on top, and just cover with the unsweetened cocoa powder And that's it. Just take it into the fridge, and you can leave it overnight or just prepare in the morning and leave it all the day until the evening if you're going to eat this in the evening, and it's ready. And as you can see, everyone can enjoy this recipe at home. The adults, the kids can enjoy this recipe, even if there's some pregnant ladies in the family also can enjoy this recipe, since it doesn't contain any raw eggs or alcohol or caffeine, and it's amazing. So I hope you like this video, guys. If you like it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And as always, thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.